Oh. Oh. Oh no.
Right, we're here at the spot.
Yeah, same place.
Same place?
Just gonna set up camp, set up a tripod that's new, and then we'll get back to you with all the finds if there are any.
So we're coming at you this week with a bigger magnet. We found the smaller magnet, as you see here. It picked up some stuff last week, but not as much as we were hoping. We were like trailing it along the river and it'd catch onto stuff and just pull away, and basically it wasn't as strong as we thought. So we've gone on to a bigger magnet. As you can see the size, this can pick up 300 kilos on each side, whereas this was just 113 kilos on the base. So we should have some more luck with that.
So I had a few chucks out in the river and I pulled these two in. They were lodged together, so I'm thinking they're the same kind of thing. Basically, when the French invaded Norfolk, they brought all their artists over with them so they could paint their pictures, stand near the axles, provide that artwork that they needed during them times. So basically this isn't a bit where you have paint on, and this is a paintbrush. But if you look closely, the bristles have degraded. The river's taken the bristles off it. There's no paint left on there. But that's definitely what they'd hold and stand and paint and like brush the paint on there. That'd probably go on eBay for about 400 quid, and the paintbrush probably a tenner.
Now I found this. It might just look like a pole to you, but it's actually a Mongolian spearhead. You see the spear there, and you could see the Mongolian markings there. In 1922, Mongolia invaded Norfolk, and when we chased them out of the county, they chucked all of their weapons into rivers, like this one here, to discard of the evidence. Well, now I've got the evidence, I'm going to take this to the police station now and see if we can get some Mongolians prosecuted, because justice needs to be served.
Right, Matty's going mad again. We're going to take you over to him and see what he's got on the end of his magnet. Here we go. Oh, Jesus wept!
Look at that. What is it?
Wow.
I honestly don't think my magnet was pulling that up. I think it was the rope. I'm going to have to get this out now.
That's a big chunk of metal. Whoa! What?
What is that?
I've no idea. That is huge. What?
What is it off?
There's something moving in there.
Where?
There's legit something moving across. What the? Did you see that?
What is it?
An eel came out. What the?
Are you being serious?
An eel
Did you
came
get on
out.
camera?
I think I did.
That is disgusting. Oh God!
That was a bit of absolute chaos. What do you reckon that is then, Matty?
I reckon that's something off a digger or a dumper or something craney. It just looks like a piece. Well, it's definitely a piece of machinery because it's got places where bolts go, places where nuts go, and so on. But I literally can't. Well, in the comment section, if you know what this is, please just tell us, because we have no idea.
And that little bit of mayhem was concluded with an eel. Eel just slithering out of the hole. So that was funny.
Are eels dangerous then?
Nah, not Norfolk eels, boy.
Leggett, I've got something.
Matty reckons he's got something good.
I have never, ever.
Oh.
Don't point in that direction. Know what that is? What is it, Leggett?
That is the barrel, a double barrel of a shotgun. Now, that is lovely.
That is very dangerous. Very dangerous.
Good find.
I'm very shocked that Norwich would have something like that in a river. Nobody knows where that came from. Who, like, why is it even in a river? Do they use that for shooting then, or what?
Usually pigeon shooting or clay pigeon shooting.
But Why would you chuck something like that in a river?
It's weird.
It's weird.
Murder.
Very weird. Murder. I hope not.
God.
It's well old. See that, everybody?
Right, gentlemen and ladies and gentlemen, Matty's been shouting again, so I'm now going to go take you over to him, or he's always got it in, so we'll have a look. What is that?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't want to touch it.
Mate!
What is it?
That is not the other half of the gun, is it?
Is it? Oh, Jesus. There's a trigger there. See it? Trigger, sight. That's the other. It might be the other half of the gun.
I think it is.
Let's go and see it. Like that. Would that fit in there? Or on there?
Let me get down a bit closer to it.
I don't know how that would go. I don't know if it would attach to something.
That is
under
definitely
there.
a bit of a gun though, isn't it?
It's a bit of a gun, but I don't know whether it's the same one, do you?
Nah.
Maybe
Well, I think there might be a different one.
Yeah, maybe there's two guns in the river.
That is the big double barrel.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's mad.
That is mad. If you know about guns in the comment section, tell us. What do you reckon it is?
Oh! We've been here all day and Matty's got his magnet snagged on a tree, we think, and he's going in. He's going in, ladies and gentlemen. He's in. He is in. That's about 7:30, I reckon, and that is getting cold.
So cold.
Oh my days. Shit. He's doing it. This is why you watch. He's... Oh my days. He's now at the magnet. He's literally lifted it off with ease. Expressions?
Cold. It's an understatement. Mission accomplished. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, ice cold. Like shaking cold. We need wetsuits. We need wetsuits.